Hey guys, in this video I will be explaining the importance of upstrokes and downstrokes while doing hand lettering. I'm gonna use YouTube as the example. I will color code my upstrokes and light strokes with a pink and blue pen. My pink pen will direct you with the upstrokes. You should be applying light pressure when you do your upstrokes. This will give you finer lines. My blue pen will show you the direction of your downstrokes. Your downstrokes need to be made with a little more pressure. This will give you thicker lines. Now that you can clearly see when your up and down stroke should take place, it's best to practice by writing out your alphabets. By writing out each letter, you will gain memory of when you are supposed to do upstrokes or downstrokes. Once you can master the alphabet, all you have to do is puzzle your letters together. Don't feel like you need to rush through it. You can tell that I am taking my time. I am lifting my hand up after each letter, and I'm even going back to connect lines that were missed. Here are some important reminders. Light hand going up, heavier hand going down, flick wrist at the tail of each letter, and lift your hand and pause after each letter. Take your time and do not rush.